There used to be an electric railway in Holyoke, Mass, and they built a line to what's called Mountain Home Park and built an amusement park there, and on Sundays people could take the trolley to the amusement park. And these are, I guess you would call them pylons. Trolley used to run on top of these. They're kind of blank canvases now. And some of the stuff is not that old. So here's looking back from the top. And I guess the rail bed was up here, and then it went up onto those pylons. And they're also kind of cool going back from this way. This one is very cool. Huh, 420, interesting.